Well, got it working! Woohoo! What is that beeping sound? It was all rusty inside. I'll wash this out in the sink. I already took it apart and got pieces here to put back together. As you see, it's pretty rusty, but I did take it apart and clean the bearing areas. Oh, he's kind of slowing down. I don't know why, but... Oh! A little slippery there? Okay. Let's see. Oh, getting there. Going pretty fast too, so good job, good. No smoke and fire yet, so... Oh, I see, okay. Up in here. Okay. Yeah, you can do it. Head trying to position yourself. Alright. It's just there yet. Alright, look at that. It's a little slow going, but alright, let's figure that out. That's fine. I'll just turn this off, check the motor, if it's hot or not. No. It's warm here, so there's some skipping going on here, so. So it runs very good. Spartan, I wonder how old this is. But once I get finished with it, clean it up more. I think like WD-40 and Patience. Because this is warm here, so it means the bells are skipping a bit, so I can adjust the tension, I suppose, on the belt. I'll tip it this way to show you how. See all the rust I removed already. But they're very fine, hardened steel pieces. I cleaned up one here a little bit. Where are we? Something written on that. So it won't take long to clean it up and clean up the mess I made here too. You see a lot of dirt and rust, so we'll get her going yet.